Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope that you are fully well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mustaq Ahmed Chaudhary, Senior Teacher for a secondary school, Dhamadia, Dumria, Kolkata. Before going to my topics, I want to give suggestion for all the students. Dear students, actually, we are out of school from very long time for the killing virus COVID-19. In spite of these some problems, our present government has set up some rules for taking online class for all the students or for the teachers, so that students can benefit from this class sitting at their home. From this perspective, I am trying to conduct a class, especially for the students of class 10. Dear students, my today's topic is sentence sentence. There are many subparts of sentence sentence. I have decided to teach you especially a structure of sentence. Dear students, you are fully know that how many kinds of structure of sentence. In my last class, I taught you about this matter elaborately, but today I will teach you how many kinds of structure of sentence and what are they and how we will give such kind of sentence from my example. Now come to the main point, dear students. Dear students, at first we have to know how many kinds of structure of sentence. So there are three kinds of structure of sentence, such as simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. How many kinds of sentence? There are three kinds of sentence, such as simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. So dear students, we have to learn what is simple sentence, what is the structure of simple sentence and what is the definition of simple sentence. So a simple sentence is a sentence where only one subject and one finite verb, only one subject and one finite verb, that is called simple sentence. On the another way, we can say that where there is only one principal clause, only one principal clause, it will be very easy to understand you if I write an example on the board. Look at the board, my dear students. I eat rice every day. Dear students, here I have written I eat rice every day. So you have to follow carefully that I is a subject. I is a subject and eat is only finite verb. And other words is fully different things. Here, this is the very important thing, that here there is no one more subject and one more finite verb. Here only one subject and one finite verb eat. So it is the best example for simple sentence, and it is also a principal clause. It is also a principal clause. So in the another example, so now this is my question: what is compound sentence? What is compound sentence? A compound sentence where there are two clauses. Where there are two clauses, both of the clauses are principal clause. Both of the clauses are principal clause, and in every clause there will be one subject and one finite verb. So if I write an example on the board, it will be very understandable. I go to some necessary things. Dear students, look at the board. I go to market and I usually buy some necessary things. There are two clauses here. I go to market is one clause, it is also principal clause, and I usually buy some necessary things. It is also a principal clause. And is a coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. Dear students, you have to remember that when there are two principal clauses are connected with a coordinating conjunction, then it is called a compound sentence. I am again saying that when there are more than two sentences are combining, are connected with two principal clauses, then it is called compound sentence. Dear students, now come to the complex sentence. So, what is complex sentence? Complex means very hard and complexity. What is the definition of complex sentence? The definition of complex sentence is where there are one principal clause and one subordinate clause. One principal clause and one subordinate clause. But there is my question here. How we learn which sentence is principal clause and which sentence is subordinate clause? Just look at the board. I like this book because it helps me. Dear students, here I have written I like this book. I like this book because it helps me. Here there are two sentences. One sentence is principal clause and another sentence is subordinate clause. It is my question to you that in compound sentence there are also two sentences, but both of the sentences are principal clause. But in the complex sentence, here there is also two sentences. I like this book, it is principal clause. It helps me, it is subordinate clause. What is the cause for the difference? Because is on kind of subordinating conjunction. Because is on kind of subordinating conjunction. So, where subordinating conjunction is added, this sentence is called subordinate clause. And in a principal clause there is no any kind of conjunction. In this sentence, I like this book. In this sentence there is no conjunction, so it is principal clause. And it helps me. In this sentence, because is a part of the sentence, or because is a conjunction of the sentence, so it is a subordinate clause. Dear students, I think that already you have clearly or fully understand how many kinds of structure of sentence and what are the definitions of simple, compound and complex sentence. And it is my hope that you have to realize this sentence. Going to close my class, I want to give you some suggestions for this present podcast. My suggestion is not only Muslims but also all classes of students. Dear students, especially for the students of Muslim, I hope that you will pray to Allah in every 5 times, and you will try to keep from any kinds of pollution, and you will try to save from any kinds of noisy movement. Inshallah, Allah will help us and we will able to free from this problem. No more today. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.